Dear students, in the previous class we learned what is a sentence. Do you remember? A sentence is a group of words arranged in proper order that makes complete sense. And we came to know the types of sentences also. Which are the types of sentences? They are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. We know what is a declarative sentence. It gives us information. Today we are going to learn about what is an interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks questions. Students, an interrogative sentence asks questions. Interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. Remember, interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. Some questions begin with words like why, who, where, when, how, etc. In interrogative sentences, some questions begin with words like why, who, where, when, how, etc. For example, where are you going? In this interrogative sentence, the sentence started with question word where and end with a question mark. What is the name of your school? Started with question word what and ends with question mark. How can I help you? Started with question word how and ends with question mark. Some questions begin with words like is, was, has, do, does, can, etc. Such questions have yes or no answers. Remember, there are questions begins with words like is, was, has, do, does, can, etc. These questions have yes or no answers. For example, is Arun sick today? Yes, Arun is sick today. See, the question is started with question word is, end with question mark, and it gives the answer yes. Are we going to the beach today? No, we are not going to the beach today. Started with are, ends with question mark, and gives the answer with no. Students, let's punctuate the given sentences and state whether they are declarative sentence or interrogative sentence. If it is a statement, it ends with a full stop. If it is a question, it ends with a question mark. First question, this is a beautiful flower. It is a statement, it ends with full stop. It is a declarative sentence. What is in your bag? Started with question word, it is a question and ends with question mark. Interrogative sentence. The girls can speak English fluently. It gives some information. It is a statement, ends with a full stop. It is a declarative sentence. Is this a beautiful rose? Starts with is and ends with a question mark. It is a question and it is an interrogative sentence. Here is an exercise for you to solve. Punctuate the following sentences and write whether they are declarative sentence or interrogative sentence. Students, hope you understood what is an interrogative sentence. Thank you.